Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will explore music from Brazil, known as the samba. This style of music from Brazil began in Afro-Brazilian communities, combining African rhythms with Portuguese influences. The music is very lively and is often played at celebrations and festivals. Rhythms are played with instruments such as drums, shakers, and sometimes string instruments. The music is created by groups of people working together, some playing instruments and others singing and clapping. One key feature of samba music is the way they use syncopation. This is when emphasis is placed on the offbeat of a rhythm. In this rhythm, we will place the emphasis on 1 and 3 in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we play a syncopated rhythm, we place the emphasis on the offbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another example. In this rhythm, we'll place the emphasis on notes 1, 3, and 4 to play 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. But with syncopation, we will place the emphasis on the offbeat. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and. Listen to this piece of samba music from Brazil and listen carefully to hear any syncopated rhythms. Take a moment to think about these questions. Did you enjoy this style of music? How did the music make you feel? Which words would you use to describe the music? Did you notice any syncopated rhythms? For your hands-on activity, explore syncopation using percussion instruments. For more related activities, please go to handsoneducation.com World Music. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye.